Have you ever thought of your brain like a computer, like all those tabs open, many tabs open, where you have all these tasks to do, whether it's picking up the children, making sure what time their games are, whether you need to do grocery shopping, whether you need to go to the gym. You just have many tasks to do. And it seems that list is endless. When we stay in that high sympathetic state, our bodies produce stress, and that is known as cortisol. For women going through perimenopause or menopause, that can lead to inflammation. Those symptoms like brain fog, we aren't just tired, our nervous systems are overtaxed, and we need rest. And it's not laziness. It's not, I need to relax, or I have so many things to do. Think of a car. Eventually it needs tuning, it needs to go to the mechanic and things like that. So rest allows our parasympathetic nervous system to put our brakes on that so that rest can take over. This is when our bodies repair the tissues, it balances our hormones, and we can digest those nutrients easily. Evidence shows that active rest does more than bring joy. It lowers your blood pressure, it improves your heart rate, and it's the markup for our longevity. That's our longevity currency. We need to rest. I always have a million things to do. It seems I have a difficult time relaxing. Why is that? Why do I have such a difficult time to relax? Because my body has been used to going at such high pace that I don't know. It doesn't know how to relax anymore. I've got to teach it how to relax. I can't keep on, I've got to go to the gym, I've got to get groceries. If my constant state is like that, my stress level is high. And what do I need to do? I need to stop and think about, God gave me this body. God gave me this body to take care of it, not to abuse it. And that's exactly what a lot of us are doing, what I'm doing by not taking that time to rest. So I'm talking, if that's you today, join my community. Please subscribe to this channel and let us share with each other what we need to do to relax in this time, especially for those that have a full-time job. If you have children that you have to pick up, or whatever it is, or you're running many businesses. I have many side gigs. I'm a mom with 2 teenage kids. I have a son and I have a daughter. So I'm always shuttling them back and forth. And I never really make time for myself. By the time the day's gone through, I realize I need to remember the things that are important. So I got myself a book. I like reading, and I don't like reading on the device because I'm an IT consultant and I'm always on the computer. So this is my gift to myself, reading a nice book where I can turn the pages and I can make my notes and do all those great things and learn about what it is to make me powerful as I age. If I'm not reading my book, I find stillness reading God's word. I find stillness reading the Bible, listening to praise and worship. It reminds me of what God did for me to make me live on this earth and how I need to take care of myself. And it's not being selfish to take care of yourself. And in other days, I do things such as my Riman skincare. I take care of my skin as a way to self-care, as a way to slow down, because I'm teaching myself what it is to slow down. The other thing that I love to do is I like to take my bike out on the trails, especially when the weather's getting warmer and it's not as cold anymore. The trees are relaxing, just watching the nature, it just calms my brain. Same thing with reading a book, it stops that constant need for that fast pace, and it teaches my mind, my nervous system to relax and to rest and to start that recovery process that I need to start the next day to do the things that I need to do. God designed our bodies with a rhythm of rest. It isn't a luxury. It's a requirement for a long, healthy life. That longevity currency, invest in it. Rest is not the absence of movement. It is the presence of peace.